tuned. We've got lots of great video coming from our day in Glacier Bay, and also eating at the restaurant The Catch by Rudi. But first, that morning, we went to a naturalist talk.
That creates life for everything above it. So one more show of hands, who would be excited today if you guys got to see a pod of orcas or killer whales, right? Sure, a lot of hands, right? Now, who specifically made their voyage to Southeast Alaska and to Glacier Bay to see phytoplankton? We got a few hands, right?
This is Alaska. This is why you're here.
So I'm sitting here eating a little buffet breakfast here. What a gorgeous view. We are now officially in Glacier Bay National Park. How's your muffin, Ron? You ate most of it. How is it?
Good.
Buffet?
Yep. Beautiful scenery.
Yeah, it's beautiful watching the scenery. We're having some nice hot tea and coffee, warming up a little bit here. Here we are at the juice bar. I'm going to have the antioxidant. Try to be healthy a little bit here. And this is on the very back of the ship, next to the buffet. It's actually part of the Wakeview bar.
Deck 16.
Yeah, it's not easy to notice. It's part of the Wakeview bar, and they don't really advertise it. You have to just kind of see. There's a little sign on the end of the bar. So they make regular drinks here too, obviously. Which one are you having, Ron?
I'll have the nutty banana, peanut butter, and coconut milk with soy milk.
Ooh, yum. That sounds good.
I'll give it that one. So I'll try other ones.
Good. Refreshing. You can taste the grapes in there. So that's the nutter. Yeah.
One Bloody Mary and one Princess.
A little bigger than mine. Yours was way bigger than
I
mine.
know. Comparison, see that was $8.
Yeah, this would have been 8
$12.
had we not had the drink program. Yeah.
So it's one kind of cold ice cream, but it tastes really good. You have to try
Run
it.
down and grab our
Yeah.
and
Swirls.
They serve it for you.
Yeah.
Really good job. It goes quick. Very, very, very.
A lot of vanilla flavor, huh?
vanilla.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
On a cold day, why
Yep,
not?
why not?
Make it a little colder. You might need hot chocolate though after this.
Good idea. Bloody Mary, this is the one they have it right outside.
Bloody Mary bar.
That to make your own Bloody Mary. They make your own Bloody Mary. Put it in there. Tastes really good.
Yeah.
This place is good.
So we came back to the cabin for just a quick break here, but I just wanted to show everybody. This is the definition of hat hair. Oh, I got ready so quick today. I just threw this on. It's cold out there on the deck. But yeah, hat hair. It's going to take some major resurrecting later before dinner. But we're going back up on deck because there's more to see. Lots more as we tour Glacier Bay today. After eating a quick buffet lunch, we decided to go up one deck to the sun deck and check out the viewing areas in the Hollywood Pool Club and Conservatory. There were lots of people here. Some were just enjoying the pool, but some got viewing areas that looked directly out into Glacier Bay. Now these areas go quickly, so if you would want one of these, you would have to get there very early in the morning. At the very forward part of this conservatory area, the naturalists and rangers set up an area where you can ask questions about Glacier Bay National Park and even get some souvenirs. And there's a young ranger program as well.
So many people are curious about cruise ships. You probably have gone to other ports where there's 4 or maybe 5 cruise ships in port. And here in Glacier Bay, we only allow 2 cruise ships per day. And then there are smaller vessels that are businesses that take people, there might be 6 passengers or 12. Those are charter vessels, and we allow 6 of those per day.
Thank
and then
you
a
so
private
much.
Vessel, somebody has their own boat.
We also discovered that there's just no place to feel closer to God and His creation than Glacier Bay National Park in Alaska.
All right, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Laura, you're safe. Ross, you're safe. Brad, come onto the floor. Where are you from?
Atlanta.
Okay, so have you gone outside of America?
Quite often.
Perfect. Okay, so you've got this, bro. We have faith. Okay, you've got to name 23 countries. Go.
Mexico, Brazil, Panama, Ecuador, Argentina, Algeria, Germany, Great Britain, Australia, New Zealand, Madagascar, South Africa, France, Germany, Spain, England, Italy, Austria, Germany, US, Russia, Latvia, China, Zimbabwe, Congo, Dominican Republic.
That evening, we decided to clean up and try the new specialty restaurant called the Catch by Rudi, which specializes in seafood and fish options.
With the bacon.
1, 2, and 5.
Ooh, that's impressive.
Thank you so much.
Ooh, it smells so good.
Good. Pretty. Pretty flaky. Not a flavor. Good.
Sauce is amazing.
really good.
After that amazing, fantastic dinner, we decided to change clothes and go up on deck because we were arriving in Icy Point Strait. It had rained a little bit, but we still wanted to check out the views and what we were going to get to explore the next day.
Ain't she brave?
I'm kind of cheating because there's a dock under there. It's not the water.
Seriously, yeah. You're so brave. You did it?
Be sure to check out our next video where we will take you into beautiful Icy Point Strait, another highlight of our cruise. We have lots of fun and lots of adventures to explore there as well. Thanks so much for watching this video. We hope you liked it, and if you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks so much.